Monkey and Rabbit, Momo and Ruby, the tale of friendship in the lush forest.
Leela, could you please tell me a story about a monkey and a rabbit? I love your stories.
Of course, John. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, there lived a clever monkey named Momo and a gentle rabbit named Ruby.
Momo and Ruby. Got it. What happened next?
Well, one sunny morning, Momo decided to explore the forest and invited Ruby to join him. They hopped and swung from tree to tree, having so much fun.
That sounds like a wild adventure. What did they do next?
As they explored deeper into the forest, they found a giant mango tree. Momo, being the monkey he was, climbed up and threw down the juiciest mangoes for Ruby.
How thoughtful of Momo. Did they make more friends along the way?
Yes, indeed. They met a wise old owl named Oliver, who shared stories of the forest secrets with them. They also befriended a playful squirrel named Squeaky.
So, did Momo and Ruby have any adventures together?
They did. One day, they discovered a hidden waterfall in the forest. They all had a picnic by the crystal clear waters and enjoyed their day.
That sounds magical. But, what was the lesson of their story?
The lesson, John, is that friendship knows no bounds. No matter how different they were, Momo the monkey and Ruby the rabbit show that kindness and friendship could bridge any gap.
Leela, your stories are always so heartwarming. Thank you for sharing this one with me.
You're welcome, John. I'm glad you enjoyed it. There are always more stories to tell, filled with adventures and lessons.
I can't wait to hear the next one.
Join us for heartwarming tales like Momo and Ruby. Subscribe for more enchanting stories and life lessons. Like, subscribe, and share to spread the magic of storytelling. Goodbye.